Digital Marketing 101, the ultimate guide for beginners. Craft a strategy with clear goals. Every epic digital marketing quest starts with defining your big picture objectives. What exactly are you trying to accomplish? More traffic? More sales? More awareness? Get ultra specific here. Having clearly defined KPIs, key performance indicators, keeps your efforts aligned and sets you up for success. Do you want to increase organic traffic by 30%? Grow email list signups by 50%? Boost conversion rate by 5%? Optimize your website for high performance. Your website is command central for your digital activities, so getting it primed for speed and conversions is critical. Smiling face with sunglasses. Tighten up your design and remove clutter. Simplicity reigns supreme these days. Mobile phone. Ensure your site is responsive on mobile devices. 60% of traffic is mobile. Create conversion-focused content. Value-packed, relevant content is how top brands attract and engage audiences online. Good time to create detailed, well-researched content optimized for popular keywords in your niche. Helpful list posts, how-to guides, email courses, and other content types that add value. Build trust and get people clicking. With the right marketing channels. The digital landscape is bursting with snazzy marketing channels ready for your brand. It's tempting to be everywhere. Narrowly focus your efforts on the most aligned networks. Your email subscriber list. Email marketing remains one of the most effective digital strategies with sky-high ROI potential. Makes growing your subscriber list a top priority. For compelling lead magnets in exchange for emails, like coupon codes or premium content. Eminently promote sign-up forms on your site and social channels. Stir social media marketing. Despite being saturated platforms, social networks still offer massive marketing potential thanks to their unrivaled reach and targeting options. Analyze metrics, test and experiment your way to the top.